Tourism Trinidad Limited is at World Travel Market 2022 this year in collaboration with the Tobago Tourism Agency. It is very important for destinations to be at World Travel Market because this is the go-to place where you bring what you have in terms of a tourism product to the world. Here we meet with key persons from the airline industry, travel agents, tour operators, online travel agents. There are a myriad of persons who reach out to us, and we also reach out to them because we have a strategy in coming here and make sure that we target the right people to bring in visitor arrivals and of course increase visitor expenditure. In terms of stakeholders who are here with us today and will be over the next 3 days, we have, for example, the Bricks by Marriott. We have Hadco Experiences. They are responsible for Azurite Nature Center. We also have Island Experiences, who's a tour operator, local tour operator. We have Banwari Experiences. We also have Caribbean Airlines. So they are here meeting with persons who will grow their businesses, who will make that network and that connection and to bring visitors to Trinidad and Tobago. It is very important to be here. We have other islands here as well, because we're all competing in a really small space. But Trinidad and Tobago has so much to offer, so that we are really ensuring that we stamp our space and our place in the global travel and tourism industry.